All right, we're reeling them in. Chartom's got the net ready. We're on camera here. We're at Bear Point, Chartom's first walleye.
Nice fish. Now guard him. Don't wait. Don't go in fast. Don't net him until I tell you. I'm gonna tire him out.
Ooh, he's a big one.
He's taking drag. You know, come on.
A lot of suspense here.
Johnny.
Wait for this.
Grandma, you might want to net this fish. Give that net.
No, I've got the camera. He can do it.
Okay, you gotta net him head first, Chartom.
Okay.
Don't put that net in the water until I tell you. But you gotta net him head first, not tail first.
Okay, let's switcheroo.
No, you can do it.
I'm scared. I don't want to mess up. Holy snap!
Get him head first.
Head first.
That's what we came to Canada for.
Got him.
That's what we came to Canada for.
Big walleye. Everybody smile. There he is. Woohoo!
Hold on here. Take that.
Wow, he's giant. He's a giant
You're a
walleye.
scary fat feller.
Wow, nice.
Can we mount this one?
Maybe.
That's a really nice walleye. You did it, Chartom.
Hang on. Oh, look at the size of this sucker.
Oh,
Oh, he's a big one.
dude, this guy.
Look at that. Just had him in the tip of the mouth.
All right, hold him up. Hold him up.
Hold on.
We're on video here.
Smile.
Okay, wait. That's not the picture yet.
Come
Now
on.
we're-